Today we're going to see how this massive excavator is built from raw steel to unstoppable power.
Laser cutters carve precise excavator frame components.
Heavy presses bend thick steel into structural shapes.
Robotic welding stations activate around the main frame.
Hydraulic cylinders are forged and polished.
Hydraulic hoses are cut and fitted with metal connectors.
The undercarriage is mounted onto the main chassis. Cables secure. Torque is good.
Rotation initiated. Smooth as expected.
Wiring harnesses snake through the cab interior.
Electronic control systems power up silently.
The engine block arrives suspended from an overhead crane. Engine mounts lock firmly into position.
Cooling systems and radiators are installed.
Fuel lines and exhaust systems are connected.
Hydraulic pumps are mounted next to the engine.
Thick hydraulic hoses connect throughout the machine. Hydraulic systems pressurize with a deep mechanical hum. Boom arms are welded and reinforced with steel ribs. Hydraulic cylinders connect the boom to the chassis.
The stick arm is mounted carefully. Bolts tighten as the excavator body locks into place. The excavator cab frame is welded and reinforced.
Hydraulic cylinders being forged and polished for the excavator system.
Hydraulic hoses prepared and labeled. An overhead crane lowering a powerful engine. A team of technicians securing engine mounts.
The excavator boom sections laid out and aligned on the factory floor.
Glass panels are fitted into the cab precisely.
Control joysticks and operator seats are installed inside.
The excavator bucket is forged from thick steel.
Teeth are welded on the bucket edge.
The bucket is attached to the arm with massive pins.
primer coats the excavator evenly.
Final inspection checks bolts, hoses, and joints.
The excavator exits the paint booth shining. The excavator powers on for the first time.
Final inspection checks bolts, hoses, and joints. The machine is cleaned and prepared for delivery.
The bucket curls and extends precisely.
Tracks roll forward on the factory floor.
The excavator operates continuously without strain.
The arm movement seems much smoother now.
Yes, the adjustments improve the cycle time significantly.
I've logged the data.
The excavator pauses, engine idling steadily.
Dust and sunlight fill the air.
The excavator pauses as the engine cools. The boom lowers slowly.